What's going on YouTube? I am here at BFS Performance at my boy Juan's shop. I'm here with my car. Today we're officially getting tuned, and we're getting tuned in a big way. You're gonna love this. As you can see from the box on the ground, I have a box of goodies that's going to transform this engine from nasty to a complete animal. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Whew. Cobra Jet, it's twin 65mm throttle body, Ford Racing cold air, all of this. Oh yeah, of course, injectors going in there, here to there. Just letting it cool off right now. I'm gonna take this off because we're gonna need to cut some of the hood off, and the fun shall begin. As you can see, this is my car, and this is Juan's car. He has a full 350 setup, intake manifold, throttle body, cold air, American Racing headers, full E85 tune. Haven't dynoed it yet, but he said it's running pretty strong. So Juan has kindly lent me his toolbox. And the car has officially cooled down. It's cool enough, so we're about to get started.
At least look like I'm doing something. Yeah, right? Let me look like I'm doing something. Just do like them girls in pictures. Sit there and go like this to like a random spot. Right? Like those girls.
Okay, the hood's off, cold air's off. What's next?
Intake.
Okay, all right, let's go.
All right, get off the damn camera.
See guys, I feel the need to record this because this is an epic moment in my history where I actually get to put the CJ in the car. I'm excited, he's excited, we're all excited. I don't know where Juan is, but my car's about to be faster than his. Look at that. Ooh, she's ready to go. You can't lie, this looks good. So we're almost done. I just put this in place. It hasn't been attached yet. As you can see, just gotta do some wiring work, and we're ready to fire her up. Once he wires it, I'm gonna be like, Juan, you're useless. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Just a little flat. I mean, that's pretty.
So probably if I put the E85 back, do you think it'll
Like
flatten out?
85, yeah, it'll come up a little higher. You can run more timing up here too.
Yeah.
You'll probably make another 10 to 15 easily.
Yeah, and I was told to get the the box,
Yep.
the air box too, because it said.
Yeah, stock valve spring, you start to get a little valve flow up there. I mean, there's nothing. Can't really do anything about it. Yeah. That's healthy.